Hi my darling, welcome to the Elias channel. Today we are making this delicious and simple rice dish. Yes, feel free to call it veggies rice. So let's get into it. So let's get cooking. The first thing we have is our mise en place, which is ingredients we're using for cooking, which is little oil. I have some garlic, I have some red bell peppers, I have some onions, and I have carrots. These are the only veggies that I'm using to cook this. Then I have my washed rice and I have my multi-purpose seasoning, salt, and pretty much all that I need already set on the table. So let's get cutting, chopping. So for my carrot, I am using this stripe something to cut it because it gives the strand like pasta. So I wanted a julienne cut, like that long strand. Yes, long strand of carrot. You can use any cutting style of your choice. So this is just what I prefer. Feel free to freestyle the way you like. So this is our carrot after cutting. I used to take a big carrot size. Then this is my onions. I just chop it, pretty much chop it any shape or size that you like. Chop, 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 chop. And when you're done with the onions, you have to go into chopping our red peppers. So feel free to use rainbow colors of peppers if you want. But for this, I wanted to keep it simple and delicious and quick recipe. So I'm using my red peppers and then just cut it. Beyond that, the red pepper gave this beautiful pop of color, crunchy, and really we can call this rice glow rice, like glow veggie rice. So after cutting all that in a pan, add in your oil, a little bit of onions, and then I added my multi-purpose seasoning, and then saute these together to create aromatic base. Then I poured in my washed rice in. Make sure the rice is dry. So just stir fry the rice in the oil base for 2 minutes, and then it is ready for the next stage. This way, every flavor that you built in the first base get coated in the rice. Then I went to my broth. Like broth is stock water. Then I added my salt. We don't cook with MSG here or seasoning cubes. So this is the way we build flavor on this channel. So you use your spices, you use your broth, and just pretty much every that. So I allow my rice to cook. I'm using a basmati rice, so it cooks pretty much fast, more with steam than with water, and the rice is ready. So in a wok pan or a very wide pan, I added my oil at the highest heat. Pour in your onions and then stir fry your onions until you have a bit of caramelization on them. You can see the way it looks. It's changing color to brown. Then go in with your carrot and then I put into my garlic. I added garlic later because I don't want to get burnt while I was sauteing the onions. Then I went with my red peppers and just mix, saute. That's why you're using I-8. You want this to cook pretty much fast. So because there is no fresh odo there, I'm using chili flakes. If you're using fresh odo, you cook it with your rice. Then I added more seasoning, chili flakes, salt, and the cooked rice. Then you just mix this together so everything is combined. I added a bit of spring onions just for pop of color. It's totally optional. If you serve any guests this on a Sunday, they're coming to us again another Sunday. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.